Yeah, yeah, yeah. You stream freestyle, frowning on the wild. I said, I'm cranking up for these folks. Look. Alright, alright. My girl is better than the mannequin. Stop with the shenanigans. All I had on mad cause I'm riding with the cannon. Cannon in the cannon. Riding with the cannon. Riding with the cannon. I'm smoking on that cannon. Nah, look. Dudes falls on my lap. I'ma bring it right back. Chill beats on the track and I'm always throwing stack. Club and bring it back. Trap and bring it back. Bring it right back, bring it back. I'ma bring it right back, cause I'm all spending racks all off in the H&M Atlantic Station doing that, doing this, with a bad bitch, but I'm really looking rich, I'm so rich. Got the money in my pocket, charger in the socket, so my phone is charged. Girls at large, calling up my phone, chilling at home, I'm chilling at the crib. Got the girl lips on my You don't even know, I don't know what I My girl is smelling good. Girl smelling good. And she straight up out the hood. You can say she from the east side, say she from the west. Shawty is bad, but Shawty ain't the best. But she better than the rest. Better than the next. Better than my last and Shawty writing checks. But I'm writing the checks cause I just got the money. And I'm laughing cause it's funny. Ha ha ha, yeah, I'm gone. Gone like an alien. All I had a man, so I tell them shenanigans. Stop with that shenanigans. Stop with the shenanigans. I just tell them, stop with the shenanigans. Not gone. Gone out the zone. All I had a man come telling that at home. I'm going to my zone. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone while I'm chilling on the phone. I'm talking to my girl. Yeah, she's my world. But she made me wanna just like a whirl. When I spend all my dividends till it's gone. And it's always at the end. But the beginning comes and then it come again. I'm just finna end it right there, man. Just for y'all both Trip Beats on the track. OC, representative, man. What they say? DJ Trip, nigga. OC. And we got this thing.